So for here, we'll focus on the top 10 sectors or departments that receive the highest allocation of the budget as per the third reading version of the General Appropriations Bill. Of course, we want the budget for fiscal year 2026 to be an education budget. And with that, the original 1.22 trillion pesos, as indicated in the NEP, was further increased by the House of Representatives by an additional 56.6 billion. And now the total budget for the education sector is at 1.28 trillion pesos. We'll do a deep dive on that later. For health, upon adding the additional 90 billion to the original 320 billion in the NEP, health is now at 411.2 billion. In terms of agriculture, adding the 53 billion to the original 239 billion, we are at 292.9 billion pesos. One thing that I would like to highlight po, as you can see in the fourth row, would be the budget for DPWH. Mula po sa original na 881 billion pesos na budget ng DPWH, tinanggal po natin, inilipat natin yung 255.5 billion pesos mula sa flood control. At ngayon po, ang budget ng DPWH ay 625 billion pesos. You can also look at the breakdown po for the other departments, for defense, interior and local government, for social welfare. We added 32.8 billion pesos towards AIX and other programs like the program catering to adolescent pregnancies, other psychological support programs for different sectors nakapasok po doon, as well as the additional amount that we put into the National Commission Senior Citizens. Meron din po for DOTR, for transportation, we added 2.8 billion. For the judiciary, we added 1.5 billion. And for labor and employment, a combination of DOLE, so you have TUPAD, other livelihood programs, and DMW. We added 300 million pesos to fund the OFW lounges. Kasi kung hindi po natin naidagdag yung 300 million pesos na yon, mapipilitan po na iisara yung OFW lounges. And we know that that is a flagship program of the administration and something that our beloved OFWs are very much looking for. So pinondohan din po natin yon. Totaling an additional 10.4 billion pesos for labor and employment. For defense, we added 4.2 billion pesos, and for interior and local government, we added 162 million pesos. So dito po sa slide na to, kitang-kita po natin, again, in the spirit of transparency, we are showing exactly where, which departments we reallocated the funds or we made the amendments po for in terms of the General Appropriations Bill.